Hi guys, I want to take a moment and show you guys how to get to the blogs for the church. There are two blogs out there. The first is the general church blog that I write on almost daily. Try to write some uplifting and encouraging words on a daily basis. The second one is Reverend Janie's blog that she writes almost daily as well to that one is more affiliated with her Living Full Tilt workshop, and she writes a little bit about those topics, and her words have proven to be inspirational and uplifting as well. So I'll show you how to get there. The first one I want to show you is from the church website, because there are several options to get to the blogs from there, and tried to make it fairly simple. The church website is www.unitysanangelo.org. And you'll see that on the left is a link for the Living Full Tilt page. There's a link for an Our Blogs page, and there's an RSS feed here on the left. This feed right here is a direct link to the general church blog. You can get to it by clicking on Unity of San Angelo, and it will take you directly to the main page for the blog. You can also see that this updates the topics as they're listed and published on the page. So conflict was a topic I had chosen for today. The most recent post will be at the top, and then each day it will drop down the list and new ones will take its place. So you have several days options to choose from. You can pick any one of these topics just by clicking on them, and they'll take you directly to that associated post. So that's one way to get to the general blog. A second way is to click on the Our Blogs link, and you'll see I have a little note there, and then I have direct links, one for the general church blog and another here, the second one for the Living Full Tilt blog. And all you have to do is click where it says click here. And then on the Living Full Tilt page, I've added an RSS feed for Reverend Janie's blog as well. So her topics are the same. Her most recent post was on change, and the day before was pray and move your feet. So you can click on whichever topic is most appealing to you, or you can click on the top link on the title bar, and that will take you to the main page for her blog as well. The other way to get to either one of them is to directly navigate to them from your address bar. So in case you're someone who likes to use the address bar, I'll show you that way as well. The general church blog is www.unitysanangelo.wordpress.com. And the address for Reverend Janie's is livingfulltilt.wordpress.com. And you'll see I just want to go over the layout a little bit. The primary page for both of ours have links at the top. The first link links directly back to Reverend Janie's blog. The second is for the church website. The third is the Living Full Tilt web page that resides on the church website. There's a calendar which allows you to select by date. Posts that you might want to see, you can go to previous months and view. You could, if you wanted to see what I wrote about on July 7th, you could click on that. There are the recent posts listed. There are archives, and as we get further into the blogging process, the archives list will grow. And then there are by categories. So these are basically folders that contain posts that I filed in the particular categories. So when I wrote off of the Daily Word because I was inspired by that for the day, then you can go take a look at all of those. The same is true for Reverend Janie's. Her theme is a little different. However, the layout is similar. Her links here are for her Living Full Tilt webpage on the site, the church site, and direct link back to the general blog for the church. Her recent posts are listed with the topics. She has a calendar available so you can select by date. Any of the dates that are blue contain posts. So if you wanted to see what she wrote on July 26th, for instance, you could just click on that date and you'll see that she wrote about Shoot for the Moon. She has archives as well, and her categories. So if you wanted to read something she has written that she affiliated with forgiveness, then you can click on forgiveness and you'll see that you are offered several posts related to that topic. So that's a little bit about the layout. If the posts get truncated, then you can just click on continue reading and you'll see that you get the post in its entirety at that point. We'll do another video that talks about the rating system with the stars, sharing on Twitter or Facebook, liking it, commenting. I look toward to making that video here in the next day or so, and try and get you guys interactive in this. It's an opportunity to share your ideas with like-minded people and get to know some of your fellow congregants and to build our church community. And I hope that you find this resource helpful and inspirational and uplifting. And if you have any feedback, feel free to let me know. I'm open to suggestions and always willing to help you guys out. Thanks.